dear God, show me the road for walking hard. For me get close to me dream, how much me can endure, how much strength remaining for me land out. Dear God, show me the path for finding hard.
Airport, like waiting for my flight. I'm really early. I left my house like 6. My flight is at like the boarding is 11:15. And by the way, guys, I'm going to Miami and then from Miami to Jamaica, and I'm traveling all by myself. I'm a bit nervous. I'm a bit anxious because I never traveled by myself before, but I know I'm gonna be all right. With Christ, I will be all right. Yeah, I know I'm gonna be okay. So yeah, just checking in. I'm in the plane now, ready to go to JA, but first I have to go to Miami. Yeah, it wasn't as bad as I thought. Traveling by myself wasn't as bad as I thought. I thought it would have been worse, even though my journey is not completed yet. But let's see when I get to America what it's gonna be. That much chance to get that much footage coming from London to Miami to Jamaica. I didn't get that much footage, but the footage that I have, yeah, they're quite good, but I didn't get that much footage. It was a busy experience, and plus it was a connected flight, so I had to be very careful and yeah, just make sure everything go right. And traveling by myself was actually all right. I was just overreacting. I didn't know what to expect, but it was quite okay. It was quite calm. So yeah, it wasn't bad. It wasn't a bad experience at all. I think it's much easier than traveling with family because you have to wait for everybody to check in and out the suitcase. So yeah, it's much easier. Yeah, the mango in there, watch your ear. Well, I see a couple. No, I see one. I love palm trees. Breeze feel nice to open a mango tree here. I'm gonna see not one mango, you know? See there. Oh my gosh, I don't see any mango. And a mango time. I'm at my mom's house right now. So yeah, the vlog that I'm gonna be posting, they're gonna be really short vlog, and they're gonna be like, music is gonna be playing over the background. It's not that much talking because I haven't really been out to talk a lot. So yes, music gonna play over the background. way to church. Yeah, going to the church for the first time for me in Jamaica. It's quite hot. We're in Kingston as well, so it's quite very hot.
Say hi.
Hi guys, I'm
Turn around.
going to the church, UCKG Jamaica. Here I am. Restaurant, we're about to eat at a Chinese buffet, a Chinese restaurant actually. We're about to eat some good food right now. Grandma, yeah, we're at a Chinese restaurant. We're about to eat some. Guys, so I just went to visit one of my cousin and get my phone charged up because I'm in the country and due to Hurricane Melissa, we don't really have current, we don't really have light. So I just went to get my phone charged up. It's not charged up yet because I need to get the something to make it charge, like the lid. So yeah, but yeah, today I should be going on the road. I should be going Christina and Mandeville to get some things done. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys around though, like how this storm has destroyed the place. So yeah, but I have to bring you up this hill cause like literally my school gone, my basic school, my good up basic school gone. But yeah, yes, so we have a bit of land fall or whatever you wanna call it. Cause it never used to be like that. Like it never used to be nowhere like this. So yeah, so things going. Remember I did show I know this. The first time I come, it's 2 times when I come. I said this, so I'm a basic school. Like Hurricane Melissa just ruined my basic school. My basic school gone, guys. Look, basic school gone. There's nothing there. I did tell you guys say this is my basic school. It gone. My RIP to my basic school. And Earl, I don't know. Earl house gone too. Earl. A long time I used to go that house here. I know I used to go there. Even though it was an old house, I used to go there and play. Me and all my kids them close. We used to go that house here every day and play. It's all gone now. We used to go that house here every day. And this was my basic school. RIP to my basic school. RIP to Highgate Hall Basic School. This used to be my basic school, guys. It's gone. This look like old rubbish, man. It looks. Oh, God. That Hurricane Melissa already done. Like it mashed up the people in ground, the people in farm. Look at their yam tick. It's on the floor everywhere. Oh my days. God, Hurricane Melissa has ruined this shop. Mr. Bull shop in Raven. Lord, it's gone, man. Anymore. But the storm has broken it down and make it worse anyway. But no one have living in this house. I'm gonna show you guys when I get to the front. But this used to be this is my grandfather mom house, and my grandpa used to live there as well. But when I get to the front, I will let you guys see. This is the house that my grandpa grown up in. This was his parents' house, but they're all grown up now and they have their own property, so they don't live with them anymore. So this is basically like a abandoned house. Even I used to go up there. So yeah, Hurricane Melissa has done it a mad. I've done it very crazy because I never used to be like that. The last time I came, it had a roof. Yeah, it was in a much better condition. Hurricane Melissa messed it up badly, done it dirty. And this, oh my god, the roof is gone. This is one of my friend house, like a family friend house. The roof for that part I was gone, but at least it's still one part gone. Him have a next part when I gone. You know, at least him have somewhere to stay. It's better than nothing in it. So yeah, guys. This is what the Hurricane Melissa has done. That's why I see all those things laying on the floor. The yap stick. Guys, so I'm currently on my way to Christina. I'm in the car right now. Someone is giving us a drive. Don't make me go front.
And create puppy. We cover it and it tear off, so I go the panic. I don't cover. I lucky if I add this and you see black off here. You see the black off for Monday. If you go way around, so if you come back up here, so. Oh, the traffic man. I traffic the man try to get out.
How is that back, man?
No, one is just one.
What's your back?
No.
Where is it? We're in the market, guys. We're in the market.
May not be the people.
We have the people in food. Yeah, the people them.
How much tomato? Rasta Jacka. Rasta Jacka. You buy color look. Color look great colors.
Alright. Yeah. How do I ask you which one?
Well, Aki, they don't know Aki now. What do you Aki?
Me not take you. Me not take
How
you.
much
Your
color
stuff.
look?
250.
One day there.
Huh? KFC Jamaica Christian. That's the thing. Birthday and I'm here with Michaela. Michaela.
me the road for walk.